This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Many people believe that real profit only comes from big investments, large factories, or complex technology, but the truth is often much simpler and far more personal. Across workshops, garages, spare rooms, and backyard sheds around the world, ordinary people are quietly turning small amounts of cash into steady, meaningful income through smart craft ideas. These are not shortcuts or gimmicks. They are practical, creative paths built on patience, skill, and a deep understanding of what people actually want to buy. In this narration, we will explore how small investments can become real profit when guided by thoughtful design, careful material choices, and a mindset that treats craft not as a hobby alone, but as a growing business rooted in value. Craft has always lived at the intersection of usefulness and beauty. Long before mass production, every household object carried the mark of human hands and human intention. Today, in a world saturated with identical products, that human touch has become rare again, and rarity creates value. Smart craft ideas succeed not because they are complicated, but because they solve real problems while offering warmth, personality, and authenticity. When you start with a small amount of cash, you are forced to think clearly, to choose wisely, and to focus on designs that maximize return rather than waste resources. This limitation is not a weakness, it is a powerful advantage that teaches discipline and creativity from the very beginning. Turning small cash into real profit begins with understanding that materials are not just costs, they are opportunities. Scrap wood, leftover boards, reclaimed pallets, and offcuts that others overlook can become the foundation of products people are eager to buy. Smart crafters train their eyes to see potential where others see waste. A narrow strip of hardwood can become a minimalist shelf, a phone stand, or a decorative wall accent. A cracked plank can be cut, sanded, and transformed into rustic trays or candle holders. When your initial investment is small, every piece of material must earn its place in your workshop, and this mindset naturally leads to higher profit margins. The most successful craft ideas rarely aim to impress with complexity. Instead, they focus on clarity of purpose. A well-designed wooden organizer does not need elaborate carving to sell, it needs to fit neatly into a kitchen drawer, a home office, or an entryway. People pay for convenience, order, and calm, especially in busy modern lives. When you create something that reduces clutter or adds a sense of control to a space, you are offering emotional value alongside physical function. This emotional value is what allows a simple object made with modest materials to command a price far beyond its raw cost. Smart craft ideas also rely on repeatability. One-of-a-kind art pieces can be beautiful, but they often require more time and emotional energy than they return in profit. When starting with small cash, it is wiser to develop designs that can be produced consistently with minor variations. A basic wooden shelf can be made in different lengths, finishes, or mounting styles. A jewelry holder can be adapted for necklaces, watches, or keys. By repeating a core design, you reduce waste, improve speed, and increase confidence in your process. Over time, repetition becomes mastery, and mastery is what customers recognize as quality. Pricing is where many talented crafters struggle, especially when they begin with small investments. There is a temptation to underprice work out of fear that customers will not pay more. However, smart profit comes from understanding that people do not buy crafts only for materials, they buy time, skill, and intention. When you calculate price, you are valuing your labor, your learning curve, and the uniqueness of your product. A thoughtfully finished wooden item that lasts for years offers far more value than a cheaply made alternative that needs replacement. Customers who understand this are willing to pay for it, especially when your story and craftsmanship are clearly communicated. Presentation plays a critical role in turning small cash into real profit. Even the best crafted item can be overlooked if it is poorly presented. Clean photographs, simple backgrounds, and clear descriptions elevate your work instantly. You do not need expensive equipment to achieve this. Natural light, a neutral wall, and a smartphone camera are often enough when used thoughtfully. Presentation is not deception, it is respect for your own work and for the customer who is trying to understand its value. When your product looks cared for, it signals that it was made with care. Another key to smart craft profit is understanding trends without becoming trapped by them. Trends can offer insight into what people are currently interested in, such as minimalist design, natural finishes, or multifunctional furniture. However, chasing trends blindly can lead to wasted effort and unsold inventory. The smart approach is to adapt trends to your own style and skills. If minimalist shelves are popular, focus on proportions, joinery, and finish rather than copying designs exactly. This way, your work remains relevant without losing its identity, and customers sense authenticity rather than imitation. Small cash investments also encourage smart tool choices. Instead of buying every tool available, profitable crafters select tools that offer the widest range of possibilities. A reliable saw, a sander, and basic measuring tools can produce dozens of sellable products. Each tool should earn its place by expanding what you can create, not by sitting unused. As profit grows, tools can be upgraded gradually, financed by the business itself rather than personal savings. This slow, deliberate growth keeps risk low and motivation high. Customer feedback is another powerful asset when building profit from small beginnings. Early buyers are not just customers, they are teachers. Their comments reveal what works, what confuses, and what could be improved. Smart crafters listen carefully without losing confidence. If multiple customers ask for a slightly different size or finish, that request is market research you did not have to pay for. Adapting based on real feedback increases sales and builds trust, showing customers that their needs matter. Consistency is often more important than speed. Many people give up on craft businesses because results do not appear immediately. Smart profit grows quietly at first. Each sale funds the next project, each project improves skill, and each improvement increases value. When you treat craft as a long-term path rather than a quick win, small cash investments compound into meaningful income. This patience is visible in the work itself, in cleaner joints, smoother finishes, and more confident designs. Marketing does not need to be loud or aggressive to be effective. Turning small cash into real profit through smart craft ideas is not about luck or shortcuts. It is about seeing value where others overlook it, about choosing clarity over complexity, and about building steadily rather than rushing blindly. When you invest thoughtfully, design with purpose, and listen to both your materials and your customers, craft becomes more than an activity. It becomes a sustainable source of income and pride. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.